welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. When I was doing my breakdowns the other day, I'm just like, it's gonna be a great week. And then I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna find some more stuff. So I did some research, I walked the ad and everything, and I figured out some other deals that you guys can do. So I'm super excited to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now, a lot of you guys know I made a printable spreadsheet for you guys. I do have a link below. It's one of my videos, and then it has all the links in there. But if you guys want something like how I fill out my stuff, I'm not filling these out for you. This is for you guys to fill out so you guys can, you know, help. But what I do is I have like my breakdowns right here, and then you guys can do it too. So definitely check that link out. I do have it below. Just says printable breakdown spreadsheets. You guys can print yours off and use those so you guys can keep track of everything. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. I was there bright and early this morning, and what I love, it's like nobody's at the register the whole entire time I'm there. And I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna lollygag just a little bit more, and then by the time I get to the register, everybody decides to show up. And then they had to open 2 more registers, and then there's like 8 people in line. I'm like, seriously, I purposely try to avoid lines, and then everybody shows up at once. But one thing I do want you guys to do is definitely check out your clearance stuff. They have a ton of clearance stuff, so definitely check that out. But I got some pool stuff for Ben to play with. So I ended up getting these dive stick sets. These I think were originally $5.99, and we got them for 59 cents. So I got those for him. Go show Daddy. Go show Daddy. I ended up getting some dive rings. There's 4 in here. But again, these were 59 cents on sale, so I thought that was a great little thing to play with. And then I also got some squirt toys, which I think would be fun in the bathtub. These were, again, 59 cents. So I thought that was super cute, and there is...
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, there's 8 of them in here. So I thought that'd be a super cute little thing for kids to play with in the bathtub or wherever. Go show Daddy. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, the next deal I got, you guys, is the Snickers bars. Now, my store did not have these marked up in the regular candy aisle, but when I went to the registers, they did have them, but I didn't scan the coupon by the registers. So, they have the 50 cents off of 2 coupon on coupons.com for different flavors, not for your normal one. I ended up getting hazelnut. These were 59 cents a piece. You guys used that 50 cents off a 2 coupon. You guys would just get both of these for just 68 cents. That comes out to be like 34 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal for candy bars. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. I ended up getting the Jif cups. Now these are 2 for $2. Now we do have those 50 cent off coupons that are available on coupons.com. So you guys want to use 2 of those coupons. You guys would get each of these for 50 cents a piece. Or, whoa, this one expired. That's nice. These expired already. Oh, I guess I'll take these back. But yeah, so you guys will get these for $1 for both of them for $1, and there's 3 of them in here, so it's good for like dipping things in there. So I thought that'd be a great thing to have. The next deal I did is these Scott's tissue, or the Scott's,
No, those are for my butt.
Those are for your butt.
I got this toilet paper.
Okay, I got Scott's toilet paper. Now these are buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to use, or they're $5 is the regular price. So making them buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 75 cent off coupons that are available on coupons.com. If you guys can't use those 75 cent off coupons, then use the ones that we got in today's inserts for 50 cents off. Benjamin, no honey. You guys would end up getting these for, hold on, Ben, just hold on for a second. You guys would get 2 of them for just $3, so that comes out to be, you know, $6 for 2 of them, or $3 for 1 of them. He's trying to sit in my lap. So yeah, so $3 a piece. There's 12 of them in here. That comes out to be a great deal if you guys need to stock up on toilet paper. Now I also did the same deal. Hold on. I also did the same deal with the paper towels. Again, I used, there's $5. Buy one, get one 50% off. I used 2 75-cent off coupons. You guys would end up getting these for $6 or just $3. That comes out to be 50 cents a roll, which I think is a pretty good deal. So definitely love stocking up on paper products when it's a great deal. Speaking of another paper product, we got the Sparkle, what is this called? Paper towels. These are, again, $5. It says it's like $1 per roll, but these are $5. And then there is a $1.25 off coupon that you guys want to print off a Red Plum. Now, we did get insert coupons, but those are for $1. Ben, don't do that. You guys use that $1.25 off coupon. You guys would pay $3.75 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.25 rebate on Savings Star that just popped up this morning. You guys would get these for $2.50 for 6 rolls. I think that's a pretty good deal, so definitely wanted to share with you guys with that. Okay, hold on, Ben. That's not for this video. I ended up getting Purex laundry detergent. Now these were $1.99. Now I did have a $1 off coupon that I used that we had from previous weeks. Otherwise there is a 50-cent coupon that you guys can use. But you guys use that 50-cent coupon. You guys, or if you guys had that $1 off coupon, you guys would pay 99 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Savings Star, making it just 49 cents for this. And I love it when you can get laundry detergent for 49 cents. Purex crystals. These were $1.99. You guys use that 50-cent off coupon that we got. Now, if you guys don't have the coupon, there's also coupons on coupons.com. So I have the hiccups all of a sudden. And is this redplum.com too. So you guys would pay $1.49 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Savings Star, making this just 99 cents. So that's a pretty good deal for that. I did the soft soap deal because I love doing the soft soap deal. Now, they also have that bonus where if you guys spend so much, you get a Catalina, or you use that thing to get a bonus. So this is the reason why I did this. But these were $2.99. It was buy one, get one 50% off. There's only one digital coupon for 50 cents off that you guys can use. You guys would pay $8.47 for all 4 of these. But then you guys will get 4,000 points. Comes out to be $4.47 or just $1.11 a piece. Not the greatest, but I was paying in register rewards and I was also using those points, so that's why I did it that way. The next deal you guys can do is, I'm missing one of these, but I got the Renewzits. I love the Renewzits. These are 89 cents. Now there is a buy 3 get 1 free coupon that we can use. There's also a coupon that you guys can print off at coupons.com. But if you guys go to redplum.com, there is a $1.10 off of 4 coupon, which I absolutely love that coupon. So you guys use that $1.10 off of 4 coupon. You guys would pay $2.46 for all 4 of these, which I lost the 4th one. But then you guys can also submit a $1.10 rebate on Savings Star, making it just $1.36 or 34 cents a piece. And I absolutely love stocking up on this. I'm kind of wondering where my, oh, it's behind my stuff that I got. So I think that is a pretty good deal if you guys can get those for 34 cents a piece. Now the last deal you guys want to do before Ibotta resets. Now sometimes it does expand it, so just check your Ibotta before you guys do this deal, and then if you do it, make sure you submit your receipt, because this Ibotta deal does end today unless they expand it. I know it was going to end in a couple hours, and then I checked, and then I changed the hours, so just check. But these were $3.99. It's buy one, get one 50% off. There is a $2 off a 2 digital coupon that is available on coupons.com. Never mind, there's a digital coupon that's on the Walgreens app. So you guys would pay $3.98 for these, but then you guys can get a $1 rebate for the shampoo and a $1 rebate for the conditioner from Ibotta. So you guys would get these for $1.98. So not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys are getting those bonus points, definitely do that. And that seems like it is it. It is my haul. I think I did pretty good. Not sure if I'm going to do a second haul. We'll see. But my total came to $10.77. Now, please keep in mind, I get an employee discount. Plus, I also paid with register rewards that I had because I don't like those going to waste. But I ended up receiving 19,000 points, which if you guys think about it, 18,000 points is $20. So if I received 19, I technically received $21 in points. $21 in points. I ended up getting $2 back with Ibotta. And then I also got $3.35 back with Saving Star. That is because of the Sparkle, the Renewzit, the Purex, and the other Purex. And then I ended up scanning my receipt for Fetch. And since I bought the Suave items, I got 50 points for that. So my total came to be a $15.58 moneymaker. I got everything for free. I love it. I love it when I can hear the word free. And it's been a while since I got stuff at Walgreens for free. I'm really hoping they, pick stuff up and get better sales than they've had in the past. But if you guys enjoy these Walgreens hauls, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more hauls. And I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.